Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are putting the door handle back together and I will show you the correct way to do it. Alright, first we need to put back these two rubber here. This rubber have a small lip what we need to slide in and slide this way in. So now it stay on. Let's do the back one as well. Yes. If the rubber is stay on, then we put back the handle first. This way, looks like this, yeah, and we just slide in. All right, this one on. Okay, now we are locked with this yellow plastics, so the handle not coming off. Then this little plastic cap clip back to this. Okay, and now we use a T30 screwdriver. Putting back. Okay. Okay, now I will show you the common problem what a lot of people do the mistake. Here is a lock mechanic and on have a small metal bar, looks like this long, and that metal bar need to join the plastic V-shape mechanism what is on the door. I will show you now what I talk about. So there is a V-shaped plastic mechanism and you need to join the metal bar top of the V. If the metal bar is out, the door will not open. Putting back the T30 screws. Okay. And then before we do anything, let's try the lock is in the correct position. Yeah, it's working. And then don't forget to tighten up this free T30 screw. Okay, we are done with the handle. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.